Okay students, let's start the reasoning part for the SSC session here. So what I'll try to do is, any question in SSC, I'll give you a maximum of 30 seconds, not more than that, because the time that you have even in the exam is obviously 1 hour. In 1 hour you have to cover 4 different parts, and you know that each will have around 25 questions. So 15 minutes 25 seconds annappudu it almost close to 30 seconds kabatti what I try to do here is I'll give you exactly 30 seconds for each question. So SSC, you should be also be you should also try to solve these questions exactly in the same way. See, you only have half a minute with us to solve these questions, and if you get the answer it is good, and if you don't guess the answer or you're finding it difficult to guess the answer, immediately switch to the next question. Don't waste more than 30 seconds in the exam. So let us start this. We'll go for only 30 seconds timer here. Look at this. Indigenous is coded as 00. What's for the other word? Done. Now what I say is, this is not that easy question. Zero, baag gurtubetko. Zero ante when you go with the place values. This question obviously you have to go with the place values, and when you go with the place values, zero, it is impossible to get zero in the answers. So ఎందుకంటే ప్లస్ చేసినా మైనస్ చేసినా, ప్లస్ చేస్తే అసలు అన్ని ప్లస్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు జీరో వచ్చే అవకాశం ఎక్కడ కూడా లేదు నీకు. సో ఆబ్వియస్గా అది ఏమవ్వాలంటే కొన్ని వాల్యూస్ ప్లస్ చేసి ఇంకొన్ని వాల్యూస్ ప్లస్ చేసి ఈ రెండిట్లో మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ జీరో వచ్చేటట్టు చూసుకోవటం, లేదో ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా చేసే ప్రయత్నం మనం చేయాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ కనుక మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే కనుక the number of letters here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, even number of letters. So I can divide this into two equal halves. But if you observe carefully here, what I see here is 1 2 3 4 and 5. I have 5 consonants here, and the number of vowels is 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer here is the difference between the number of vowels and number of consonants. I am telling you students, there are 4 to 5 questions in this paper, extraordinary questions, and these are most similar with the questions on that you can guess in SSC. Very similar to those questions in SSC. ఒక 5-6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, వాటి గురించి మాత్రం మీరు వెయిట్ చేయాల్సిందే, వెయిట్ టిల్ ది ఎండ్. సో ద లాజిక్ ఈస్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వోవెల్స్, number of consonants, difference between the number of vowels and number of consonants. Go with the same story. Vowels 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total number of letters 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Out of 13 you have 6 vowels. The remaining 7 has to be consonants. 6 and 7 difference is 1. Option 3 is my answer. I'm going for the next one. Let's see this. Chalo, 30 seconds. 93, 78, 73, and what should be my answer? Come on. All those who are watching this session live, what I would like to know is, if you are live, you do please respond with your answers. మీరు కనుక లైవ్లో ఉంటే ఆన్సర్స్తో కొంచెం రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి అమ్మా, మీరు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి. Done. What's happening here? 93 and 78, if I regularly try to solve this question, the difference between these two numbers is 15. If I go with the same story and the difference is 15, ఎక్కడ కనబడుతుందమ్మా ఆన్సర్? ఎక్కడ కూడా లేదు. 58 అవ్వాలి, ఇక్కడ కూడా 58 అవ్వట్లేదు. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్తో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే ప్రయత్నం మనం చేసాం, కానీ దొరకట్లేదు. ఏమై ఉండొచ్చు? సింపుల్, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. రివర్స్ ఆఫ్ 39 2 times is 78. Reverse of 73 is 37 into 2 is 74. Option 4 is my answer. Come on, the next question, fast. Vishal, I said you'll have a 4 to 5 questions, extraordinary questions, superb questions. This is also one among them. One among those 5 questions which I said, extraordinary questions. Good one, good one. But what I would like to tell you people is, when you try to solve more and more questions, you will come across different types of logics. So what you have to do here is, all these different logics, you should try to save them in your buffer memory. సో ఎప్పుడేం అవసరం వస్తుందో మనం చెప్పలేం కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఏ లాజిక్ అయినా మనకు వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. చూడండి ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. విశాల్, VISHAL is 31, 27 and 13. Where did I get this place values? This is 22 and 9. 22 plus 9, 31. 19 plus 8, 27. 1 plus 12, 13. Go with the same logic. Pranav, pair of letters, add their place values. 16 and 18, 34. 1 and 14 is 15. 1 and 22 is 23. Come on, 34, 51, 23 is my answer. Fourth one. Go for this. Yeah, this based on general awareness, odd man out. Nothing to do with the reasoning, but purely based on general awareness question. Pratibha Patil, Srimati Pratibha Patil, Shri APJ Abdul Kalam, Indira Gandhi and Rajendra Prasad. Indira Gandhi, the only prime minister in those 4. The other ones are the presidents. This, see, I tell you one thing, listen. Whenever you see a question on verbal analogy or verbal odd man out, whatever it is, verbal classification, these questions are nothing to do with reasoning. The only reason why these questions will be given to us, because if when I talk about general awareness, it is a very huge portion which is supposed to be covered. You have questions from science, all branches of science, physics, chemistry, biology, zoology. ఇవన్నీ కల్పిస్తూ ఉంటాం. ఇటు పక్కన సోషల్ స్టడీస్కి వచ్చేసరికి హిస్టరీ, ఎకనామిక్స్, సివిక్స్, మోడర్న్ హిస్టరీ, మిడిల్ హిస్టరీ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. చాలా పెద్ద పోర్షన్ అనేది కవర్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఏం చేస్తారంటే అక్కడ మనకి ఓన్లీ 25 క్వశ్చన్సే కాబట్టి ప్రిలిమ్స్లో చాలా తక్కువ స్కోప్ ఉంది అడగడం కోసం. అందుకని ఏం చేస్తాడంటే రీజనింగ్లోకి వచ్చి ఒక 2 నుంచి 3 క్వశ్చన్లు మినిమం అడిగే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాడు అనమాట. సో ఏమంటాడు ఇక్కడ, యాన్యువల్ ఈస్ 1 year, quinquennial ఈస్ 5 years, 6. అట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్ వస్తే మాత్రం 10-12 secondsలో క్లోజ్ చేసేయండి దాన్ని. MNOPQR 5 boss sitting in a circle. Come on. Get this answer fast. Those are online. Come on. I need the answer first. How many persons? 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are they sitting? In a circle. O is sitting to the immediate left of Q. Immediate left of Q is O. M is sitting between P and Q. M is sitting between P and Q. Circle arrangement between is exactly between, and that person has to be the immediate neighbor. So Mn, N is missing, this is N. Who is sitting to the immediate left of O? It's N. Done. Easier one, not time taking. This is good one. చెప్పే కదా, ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్కి పక్కా నేను మీకు టైం ఇస్తాను, బరాబర్ టైం ఇస్తాను. చలో భాయ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. మంచి క్వశ్చన్ చేయండి. 30 seconds. Good one. 3 of the following 4 numbers are like in a certain way and one is different. Select the number that is different from the rest. Odd man out, classification type of question. Chalo, done. Differences impossible, you won't get the answer. డిఫరెన్సెస్తో కనుక మనకు వెళ్ళే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే అవకాశం లేదు ఇక్కడ. సో వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ అంటే, దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ వీ విల్ గో విత్ డిజిట్ లాజిక్. వాట్ విల్ డూ? గో విత్ డిజిట్ లాజిక్. వాట్స్ ద డిజిట్ లాజిక్ దట్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ టు డూ అంటే 2361. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 is also 6. The product of the digits is same. What's the logic? Product of digits. Not easy, I said. Not easy questions, not easy. 6 times of 4, 24. 8 times of 3 is 24. 2 times of 7 is 14, 3 times of 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, this and this. Everything follows the same logic except one. Product of the digits given here is same. Product of the digits is given here is same. 8th one. What's going on here? Manual M-A-N-N-U-A-L. This is O. This is A. This is N, N, and then G, and this is A, and this is P. Clear? What should be for clear? Yes, come on. Let's try to solve this question here. Students, what's happening here? One thing is for sure, A is coded as A and these two N's are being coded as N. Kani anni meeta chotla change ayipotundi ikkada. Sir, how should I guess this answer? What should be the logic? So gurtu pettukondamma, A is remaining as A. So in this type of questions, if you are not sure what's happening here, I'll tell you one thing, listen. Sometimes luck obvious ga fortune favors the brave అని చెప్పి అంటూ ఉంటారు. ఒక పని చేద్దాం, ఓ పని క్లియర్ ఉంది. CLEAR. Generally what happens in coding and decodings, when they give us one word and then its code, obviously they also give another word, its code, and then they'll ask us the third word, and for the third word he'll ask us to find out what is the correct code. So itlan chota sometimes కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ మనం గెస్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. A is repeating పక్కా A కోడ్ ఏమై ఉండాలి A. L is repeating L కోడ్ ఏమై ఉండాలి P. Second place లో second from left is P. Second from right is A. Second from left P, second from right A. I see only one place and that has to be my answer. And pakka it is the answer. But now I'll tell you the exact logic here. The exact logic here is opposite plus 1. Opposite to M is N plus 1 is A. Opposite to A is Z plus 1 is A. Opposite to N is M plus 1 is N. N ki malli enno ostundi? U కు opposite ఏంటమ్మా F. F plus 1 G. L opposite ఏంటిది O plus 1 P. So clear. C కు opposite ఏంటిది X. X plus 1 Y. L కి P already. E కు opposite ఏంటిది V. V plus 1 W. R కు opposite ఏంటిది I plus 1 sorry J. I plus 1 ఏంటిది J. Done? Yes. So exact logic నువ్వు గెస్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేయలేకపోయినా, even if you have not guessed the exact logic, luck did favor us because of the repeating letters. Because of the repeating letters. Chalo, next. He says B is the father of Q. Q has only 2 children. How many children does Q have? Only 2 children. Wait a second. Q has only 2 children. Q is the brother of R. R is the daughter of P. P is a female. A is the granddaughter of P. S is the A is the granddaughter of P. 2 children, I am not sure kada. Tata S is the father of A. S is the father of A. Father. Pakka, this is where you have to take S, and this has to be A is the granddaughter of P. Done? How is S related to Q? How is S related to Q? Brother-in-law. Come on. Whenever you come across this type of questions, what you are supposed to do is, please count the number of letters including the blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is a multiple of 6 as well as 3. If I want to make a group of 3 letters, I'll get 6 different groups. But if I make a group of 6 letters, I'll get 3 different groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come on. B, A, B, B. And you also have B, C here. B, C, B, A, B. B, C, B, A, B. B, C, B, A, B, extra B. Done. C, B, B, C, B. Second option. In a group of 64 workers, each worker participates in one or more of the 3 activities. 64 workers total, and then he says each worker participates in one or more of the 3 activities. So there is no one among the group of 64 people who is not participating in any of the 3. So from this it is very clear, you have to guess this is a question on Venn diagrams. So Venn diagrams lo mu total and consider chestam, it is 64. N here is 0. He said 3 different activities, go for 3 different circles. One is quiz, one is mono acting, the other one is mimicry. This is the exact diagram. Chalo, 12 participate in, 14 workers participate in quiz only, this is 14. And there is 11 participate in mimicry only, 12 participate in mono acting only. If 6 workers participate in all the 3 is x is equals to 6. Then he says that how many workers participate in 2 activities. Chudandamma, anni add chesthe ee mooditiki anni add chesin tarvata 64 ni divide chesthe, that is what I get. How many workers participate in 2 activities? Exactly 2. So this 14 plus 12, 26, 26 plus 11, 37, 37 plus 6 and 43, 64, 43 minus just the emosal by 21 is my answer. Next. Chalo, this is another one, good one. This type of questions, pakka, sure I'll give you the time. Reset, come on, 30 seconds, fast. 24, 19, 25. This is a good one, extraordinary question. Chalo, ma 25 to end అవుతుంది, 25 is a square. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ గెస్ చేయడం కొంచెం టఫ్, but that is what I say. When you come across this type of questions, and if you see multiple questions of this type of models, odd man out and analogy, the best way of guessing the logics is, so if you want to master the topic of analogy and classification, or I call classification as odd man out. These 2 topics, if you have to master them, the only way is practicing more and more questions. There is no other way, because when you practice more and more questions, you come across many different types of logics. So from every logic we do learn something here. So what is happening here, and this is 24 plus 19. How much do I get? I get 43. So what am I trying to do here is 4 square plus 3 square, 16 plus 9 is 25. Sum square of the digits. But what's the question? Select the option which the numbers are related to the same way. So when you are adding 2 numbers, I'm going with the squares here. 27 plus 11, 38, 3 square 9, 8 square 64. Chaal dooram vellipotham. 16 plus 5, 21, 4 square, 1 square, 5 అవుతుంది, కుదరట్లేదు. 22 plus 18 ఎంతమ్మా 40. 22 plus 18 is equals to 40. 4 square plus 0 square is 16. Option 3 is my answer. Next one, come on. Look at this, 13, 12, 15, 86 and 167. Fast, come on. I'll give you exactly 30 minutes. 30 seconds, sorry. 30 seconds, fast. Only 30 seconds. You have to go with the differences. Fast. Go with the differences and guess the answer. Ganesh, Kavita, all those who are online. Kyati, Sai. Come on, please guess the answer fast. We're running out of the time. Only 10 seconds left out. Come on. I said we'll go with the differences. How much is this? 9. And this is 25. 37 plus 40, 77, extra 9, 49, 9, 25, 49. What are these numbers? Come on. They're all squares. Square, but what? Odd square plus odd square. 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 9 square, 121 because 3, 5, 7, 9 ante odd amma. 3, 5, 7, 11 వచ్చిందనుకో అప్పుడు we'll go for prime numbers. So ఎంత వస్తుంది? 288. No option? Yes, very good. Many of you have answered this. Excellent. 14th. So come across this question, 159 avali. Select the combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the stars and then balance the given equation. Come on. I'll just start the timer. Come on. Go for this question fast. చలో మోర్ దెన్ 1 minute ఇచ్చామ్మా మీకు. మోర్ దెన్ 1 minute. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉండాలి. ఒకసారి మనం ఆప్షన్స్తో పోయే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఏమంటున్నాడు? ఇంటూ అంటున్నాడు. దిస్ ఈస్ 11 into 14. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ సేస్ మైనస్. సో ఇక్కడ పక్క రాసాం 11 into 14 minus 552 divided by 23 plus 29 equals to 159 అంట. చూద్దాం. 552 divided by 23, you have to go with this first obviously because Bottom's rule you will follow bracket of and division. You don't have bracket and off, you have to go with division. 552 divided by 23. సరే సార్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ టేబుల్స్లో మేము కొంచెం వీక్ ఉన్నాం సార్. అయినా సరే ఇది పెద్ద విషయం కాదు. 552 divided by 23 and 23 2 times ఎంత? 46. రిమైండర్ ఎంత? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 6. అదే 46కి 55 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 92 వచ్చింది. ఏం చేయాలి సార్? 23 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్? 4 టైమ్స్. ఇది 24. ఇంకెక్కువ మాట్లాడితే స్క్వేర్స్ నేర్చుకోవడం వల్ల వచ్చే అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి? 23 into 24 is nothing but 23 square plus 23. This is the advantage you get when you learn squares. 23 2 square which is 529. 529 ki extra 23 add chesi you'll get 552. This is 24 plus 29 minus 11 into 14. 154. ఎంత బై? 154. ఎంత? 11 into 14. 11 into 14 అంటే ఏం లేదు. 14 1 4 1 plus 4 5. ఈ మైనస్ 24 plus 29 అంటే ప్లస్ 5. 154 plus 5 159. పక్కా ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ మై ఆన్సర్. స్పీడ్ ఈ రకంగా ఉండాలి. చిన్నపిల్లల్లాగా మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్, డివిజన్స్లు, ప్లస్లు కూడా రాకపోతే ఇంట్లో కూర్చోవటం బెస్ట్. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి రాసే ప్రయత్నం చేయకండి. చలో, 3 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ లెటర్స్ ABC, BCD, F, G, H, J, K, L ఉండాలి, మిస్ అయిపోయింది. Come on, this one. Select the option that represents the correct order of the given words as they would appear in English dictionary. Come on, come on. I would like everyone to try this question. Come on. Those who have done this. Chalo, I'll tell you how to solve this question. Chudandamma. The first 3 letters కొట్టేసే అవసరమే లేదు మనకి. DIS, DIS, DS అన్ని చోట్ల సేమ్. You are going with S, S, S. This is T and this is S. Obvious గా T will be in the last and your answer should end with 4. How many options? 2 ఆప్షన్స్. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. సో మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ, ఫస్ట్ 4 లెటర్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయినాయి. మనకి ఫోర్త్ వర్డ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది లాస్ట్లో ఉండాలి కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కానీ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ కానీ అని మనం డిసైడ్ చేసాం. మనకు మిగిలినవి ఓన్లీ 4 వర్డ్స్. ఈ 4 వర్డ్స్లో గో విత్ ద 5th లెటర్ I, U, E and O. What comes first? E. E is number 3. After E, it has to be I. 3, 1, 5 తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఎక్కడుందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కొట్టేసాం, 17th. All mothers are syllogism. Next, no mother is dancer. You should not have relationship between this M and the other one is D. No dancer is caps. Right. Conclusion 1. Positive or negative? Negative. Negative. So ఎప్పుడైతే నెగిటివ్ రైట్ అవుతుందో we have to prove it as wrong. What is the complementary? Some dancers are caps. Yes, yes, yes. I can draw dancer like this. This is wrong. Next. No cars is dancer. ఇది కూడా రైటే. పాజిటివ్ ఆ నెగిటివా? నెగిటివ్. కాంప్లిమెంటరీ సమ్ కార్స్ ఆర్ డాన్సర్స్, ఆల్రెడీ మనం రిలేషన్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసాం. రాంగ్. సమ్ డాన్సర్స్ ఆర్ మదర్స్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ డాన్సర్ అండ్ మదర్. వాట్ షుడ్ బి ది ఆన్సర్? నన్ ఫాలోస్. Afrina walks 18 kilometers, 8 kilometers east and then walks 13 kilometers back. Then she turns left and walks 4 kilometers, then walks for 5. After turning left, she turns left again and walks for 3. How far is she from the starting point? Come on. Come on, come on, fast. So do you want me to activate the timer? Yes, I will activate the timer. Come on, 30 seconds. Fast, fast. Chalo. Afrin walks 8 kilometers east and then turns and then walks 13 meters back. Come on. Starting point tanadi ikkada undi. East ante manaki eppudu right side. Enta dooram vellin tanu 8. Malli reverse back vastundi 13. Ante ikkadi nunchi extra 5 teesukovali manam. 5. And then now she is facing towards west. Tanu em chestundi next and turns left and walks for 4. Left and obvious ga kindiki ravali 4. Now she is facing south. Then 5 kilometers turning to her left. When somebody faces south, left will be our right amma. 5. Exact starting point ki parallel ga aapesta 5. Next time she turns left again. Now you are facing east, you turn left, you go towards north. How many? 3. Earlier I have 4 here, so this is where I stop. This is her ending point anuko. How far? is C from the starting point. Come on students, this is 3. Difference enta 1. Ikkadi nunchi ikkadiki enta 1. Option 3. Easiest question ఇది. Come on, what's going on here? Find the number opposite to 3. చూసా 3 నాకు 3 చోట్ల కనబడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 3 is not opposite to 4 and 5 because they are adjacent. అయిపోయింది. పక్కకి వెళ్ళాం 6 అనే నెంబర్ వచ్చింది, 6 కూడా కాదు. ఆ తర్వాత 1 వచ్చింది, 1 కూడా కాదు. 4 నెంబర్లు ఉండకూడదు అంటే మిగిలిపోయింది 2 నెంబర్లు 2 and 3 ఇంపాసిబుల్. 3కి ఆపోజిట్ అయ్యే అవకాశమే లేదు. చిన్నపిల్లలు అడిగినా చెప్తారు. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటిది? 2. ఈజియెస్ట్. సో వెర్ ఇస్ 2? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. I hope you all have solved these questions. Thank you.